Did you know Primavera P6 mainly use three types of S curves? Number one, cost S curve. Number second is labor or manpower S curve. Number third one is equipment or non-labor S curves. So cost, remember always, cost S curves is only based on cost base or material. The rest of the labors and equipment S curve is only based on unit based. You should be remember this. So let's show you a quick demo how to display these S curve in Primavera P6. First of all, open usage profile, go to the top of the bottom of the menu. Here you will see activity usage profile. From here click, just one click, you will see this on the bottom of the Primavera P6 window. Or you also can choose your activity usage profile. From here go to view, show on bottom, and then go to activity usage profile here. Now I will show you. Here you can choose between cost and unit S curves. Select cost to display the S curve. Go here and right click active usage profile. Here you will see the on display cost and units. I told you earlier that cost is only based on your material. It is directly linked on material. If you click on cost, then you should click on the material to show S curve. Here only pure cost S curve. So let check. I will check this here cost, then after that material. Then you will see here apply and OK. You will see here this is a cost S curve. This is a cost S curve, and I want to labor S curve, manpower S curve here. So you simply right click activity usage profile. Here you will select units, not cost. You will select units, and units you will select. If you want to show here S curve for labor, manpower, you should select this one. Or if you want to S curve for equipment or non-labor, you will click here. So let me show. I show will you. This is a cost S curve. Now I want to change it from you can say manpower S curve. I want to generate here. So you simply units and then labor, apply and OK. You will say here this is your labor S curve or manpower S curve. Simply the third one, last one is equipment S curve. So you simply should keep this unit here right. Now this time you will select non-labor. This is a equipment S curve. Apply and OK. Here this will show you a complete S curve for the non-labor or equipment. So if you want to become a professional planning engineer, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Primavera P6 tips and tricks and practical planning tutorials. And want to master Primavera P6 from basic to advanced, enroll in our complete online course and learn step by step with real project example. Contact us on WhatsApp for course detail and enrollment. See you